Welcome to Star Plus. In this video, I will show you how to delete saved progress of YouTube Playables game. So I have played this game and I have made some progress. I want to delete that progress and start from the beginning. But if I start the game from here, this is not level 1. I want to start from stage 1. To do that, below the game, you will find this 3 dots icon. Click that, select Manage Game Progress. It will bring you to Playables Game Progress. On this page, delete saved progress for the game that you have played. I have played Bed Wars, so to delete progress for Bed Wars, I'll press cross button. And then saved progress for that game will be deleted. Now I can reload this page and start Bed War games from the start. And now as you can see, I'm starting from level 1. So this is how you can delete saved progress for a game on YouTube Playables. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.